Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily charge your Nothing headphones. So, we have two ways of doing so. The first one is using our phone, as you can see. Here I do have the Nothing Phone 3. At first we have to plug our cable that fits into our phone. Of course, if you have micro-USB, you have to have the micro-USB cable. If you have the USB Type-C, you have Lightning, you have to have Lightning. Of course, you can buy some adapters if you want so, but they don't really recommend to do so. And here, the second part of the cable, we have to plug into our headphones. And now it works. Now our headphones are charging. This is the first way. The second way is just using our power adapter with the power cable. Of course, just a classic power brick. We have to have a cable that fits into both our charger and our headphones. As you can see here, I do have the cable itself, and at first we have to plug the cable into our power adapter, and here into our phone. Pardon me, not phone, into our headphones. And now our headphones are now charging. That's it. Hope it helps, and goodbye.